Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 22nd tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to check out a few border properties. And in the document that I have opened up in my text editor, you can see I have some text within paragraphs in the body section, and I've just copied and pasted information from Wikipedia about the sport golf. And I have the text golf within H1 level headings, and then I have a description of the sport divided into three paragraphs. So just don't worry much about the text I have here, and you would see that I have a lot of anchor tags, and there are a lot of links. So if you would open this page in your browser, this is what you will see. All the red colored items are links actually. So if you would click on any one of these, then you would be redirected to the appropriate page, and Wikipedia pages basically. And as I said, I have a H1 level heading that has a text golf. You can see that here. So let's say you want to apply borders to each of these three paragraphs. To do that, in the document, as you can see, I have you know uh, the paragraph element within the style section. So we are going to apply three properties to this element: border hyphen color, which is used to set colors to the borders; border hyphen style, which is used to set the style attribute to the element; and border hyphen width determines what the width of the border is going to be. So let's say you want to have a red colored border and a solid border, and we're going to check out the different values that you can put for this property. And let's say you want it to be 2 pixels in width. So I'll put these values, save the file, go back to my browser and refresh the page, and this is what I see now. So I have a red colored solid border around each of the three paragraphs. And if suppose you want to change the width, you have to put a higher value here. Instead of 2 pixels, you could put 5 pixels or 7 pixels, but usually people don't do that. People usually use 1 pixel or 2 pixel thick borders, but of course, depending on your requirement, you could put whatever value you wish to put here. For the border style property, you could put dotted, right? So let's see what kind of effect this is going to result into. I'll go back to Google Chrome, I'll refresh the page, and the style of the border has now been changed to dotted. So you see a series of dots, and the width is still 2 pixels. And I'll go back to my text editor and change this to dashed, and save the file, and go back to Google Chrome to see the effect. And now we see that the separation between the individual dashes is increased as compared to dotted, and this is a different effect completely. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching this one, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next video, in which we'll check out more interesting CSS properties, and see you soon. Till then, take care.